Thoughts Observation Routine. Welcome to our Thoughts Observation Routine, a meditation practice focused on observing our thoughts without judgment. Remember to wear comfortable, loose clothing that allows you to sit or move easily. Find a quiet space. Sit comfortably and take a moment to immerse yourself in the silence. Let's embark on this journey of mindful awareness. Close your eyes and center yourself in the present moment. As thoughts arise, observe them without attachment or judgment. Allow each thought to pass like clouds in the sky, maintaining a sense of detached awareness. Notice how observing your thoughts creates distance from them. This practice fosters a sense of mindfulness and helps you develop a healthier relationship with your mental landscape. As you gently open your eyes, carry this mindful awareness into your day. When you open your eyes, keep all this positive energy with you. Thank you for joining our Thoughts Observation Routine. Until next time, stay present and at peace. And remember, breathe deeply and find inner peace.